In the first two stages, self-awareness and self-regulation, we explored how to recognize our emotions and how to manage them effectively to create a positive influence. Now let's move to the next stage, and that is motivation. How to stay motivated yourself and how to uplift your team when energy is running low. Imagine you and your team have worked hard for days constructing a bridge. You have put in a lot of efforts, dedication, and long hours. What happens? An inspection team comes in and heavily criticizes your work. Your team feels demotivated, demoralized, and disheartened. Everyone's head is down, and the room is full of silence and defeat. Even though you are hurting too, but you don't show it.
You walk into the room with a smile, you bring everyone together, then you speak from the heart. You thank them for their effort, their dedication, and the long hours they have put in. And then you say, let's come together, step forward, and take another look at our plan. This time we will make it work even better. That simple moment brings your scattered team back as one, and together you move forward, ready to hit the target and stronger than ever.